Sanibonani. Okay, kule weekend nje, I mean from Sunday kuza kule Sunday yazolo besine Faith Revival 25 eEast London, so bekumnandi kakhulu, siyafunda kakhulu. Like for instance on Thursday kwakhona ama speakers ayemaningi, amanye from overseas, sifundiswa izindlela zama-business, and then siyakwazi uba silandele lezo mfundiso kuye app yakhona ifaithnow.com, and also iprogram yakhona siyakwazi ukuyilala futhi ku-YouTube ku-myfaith.tv. So there are so many things ebesiyifunda. Bekunabaculi Eddie James Pastor Heath berekhoda kumnandi kusho, nabantwana they are most welcome ukuthi beze nabo bane ministry yabo, bayafundiswa, babe nama games amnandi. Angicela simlalele uEddie James. Uyena Eddie James lowo ngizobuye ngize just ukulalela uPastor Heath, naye bengena erapha ngezimnandi. So besifunda even the ladies meeting which was so powerful, ukusakha singabesifazane, asingahlali awukho ukuhlala emhlabeni, fanele uhambe ukwenze konke lokho uNkulunkulu akubeka kuwe. Ngiyabonga.